Hi everyone, this is Mahabahu. Today I am going to show you how to do AI lead scoring in Salesforce. So stop making your sales team manually research leads. It's a waste of time. Today I am going to show you how to build an automated AI agent that does the research for them. We are going to take a raw email from Salesforce, run it through Explorium to find their revenue and tech stack, and then have AI decide if they are high, medium, or low priority lead based on strict logic, like if they use Salesforce and make over 5 million. Let's jump straight into my Salesforce page. I am in the Salesforce dashboard, and you see there is a lead, and this lead, we have this lead score field and a region field. It is blank. So what I am going to do is I'll run my automation, and the lead score and region field will auto pop. So let's do the I am executing it. It's running the automation, and it will now update the data. Right. Now we go back into Salesforce and we'll see this. Let's refresh. See, we have this and lead score is low, and the reason is revenue. We have set the logic that 1 to 5 million does not meet with the minimum threshold for high, greater than 10 million or medium. So basically the revenue is less than it is within below 5 million. That's why the lead score is low. How we have done that? So basically this is our N8N workflow, and where we have done this automation. We have got when a lead is created, then we are passing the domain from the email ID here. We are splitting the domain from the email ID. Then we are passing it through Explorium API, which first take the domain and find a business ID in their account. If the match is found, then they do enrichment, and we are getting the firmographic data, technographic data, and funding and acquisition data here. Once we do that, we pass it through a LLM node like in a 2 flash. Then we got the lead scoring logic here mentioned. After that, we pass it through a code node to simplify the response. And from this AI response, we are now getting only lead score and reason. Then we are using the Salesforce node, Salesforce update node to update back in Salesforce. So now I am going to show you how we have done through Antigravity. So let's dig to the Antigravity tree. To connect Antigravity with N8N, we have connected the N8N MCP server with Antigravity, and we have given the N8N skills to Antigravity so that it learned the N8N skills. So to add the MCP server, here we will go and we will manage MCP servers, and here if you see, we have connected our N8N MCP. So now we'll be back, and I have already given the skills to the Antigravity. Now I just give the command. So first I create a file in Antigravity. Let's say score scoring. This I just created a file, and now I'm going to give command to Antigravity. So I have just pasting this command. So what I am commanding is please create an N8N workflow, which we get the lead from Salesforce node when lead is created, and the email ID of the lead will be passed to find the domain. And once the domain, we find the domain, then it will pass through Explorium to get the business ID, and then it will go through Explorium node to find the graphic data, technographic data, and funding data. Then we are setting up the logic to arrive at the lead scoring. if it is greater than 10 million, industry, we have taken the ideal customer profile is real estate, and the geography is US, and tech stack, if the tech stack is CRM like Salesforce or HubSpot, or and they have received funding, then we are scoring as high. As if the fund like revenue is 5 to 10 million, we are considering it as medium, and below 5 million it is low. Then we are getting the like lead scoring and the region. Then we are passing it to the LM node basically. Then we are going to send it to our Salesforce for Antigravity. I have given this command to Antigravity. Now it will automatically create what are the tasks need to be created. Then it will come up with the plan, and it will start creating the workflow and the JSON file. So we'll wait for some time. Then I will showcase when the task has been completed. So now Antigravity has completed the task. So it is showing me like this has completed this Salesforce lead scoring workflow. So it has configured the Salesforce lead node, created the JSON file. So what I'll do, I'll open this JSON. So this is the JSON structure part we have got from Antigravity. So I'll just copy it. Then I'll go to N8N. Here I'll just create a workflow. I'm just going to copy paste the Antigravity workflow here. So now you see Antigravity has created everything for me. It just took me 5 minutes to build the complete workflow through Antigravity. I am just going to give like lead created and my connection as well, which is here also. I am going to fields are missing, so like key is 4.0. Connecting on the accounts, like this is the Explorium node. So basically we have the official Explorium one. So I am going, it is using the HTTP node for Explorium. So we are going to use the official Explorium one. So that I replace. Get the official Explorium API. Then I'll get the matched one. That's it. I can do. Can connect this. Both will work. I'm just connecting with the official. It has not given the logic in the prompt. I have created the prompt pair here, so just copy paste the prompt. Give me some time. Details, and I'll share these details with you later. What I'll just do is save, and I'll just try to test it. So if you look back, test trigger, test account, we can do random lead ID now. We'll let us save it. So now we got the details. So we got a test lead from our system, and we have got the domain passed from the here we got the domain is like reality.com. So pass the domain here, and we have to pass the ID, business ID. So what we can do, we will take the technographic data, then we let the data. So these are the data we are pulling. So here what I will try, I will pass the business ID. Here the business ID is this one. I am just going to pull this one. Now I will just hit this node, and it will get me the details. So see, we have gone through Explorium, and now it is giving us the data like firmographic data like and the company reality.com. It's in United States, Texas. Then a number of employees 11 to 50. The revenue per year 5 to 5 million. Their LinkedIn profile of the company name is Lender Pro Company. Then their technographic data we check. They are very much using for CRM. Then if we go to the funding signals, uh, they do not have any funding signals available. So now what we'll do, we'll pass this data to our LLM GPT node was wrong. So we have replaced that with like OpenAI message model. So we can take the message model one. Can do, we have passed the prompt here. Like it is now giving us the text. We are getting the output here from the chat GPT. So basically, I have inputted this code node. I didn't code it myself. So I have went through chat GPT, just ask this simple command to give me the code node. I have given the input file what I have got here. This one give me the output. So now I got the lead score and origin. Can like update it back. So what I can do, just add the lead ID here. Custom fields. And in the custom field, as our lead score is a custom field. I will pass the region field here. Right now, go to this lead, and I am going to run the region. Okay, can do it. As you see, we are getting lead score and region. So that's it, everyone. So thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, find useful, please like and subscribe, and also please comment N8N Workflow so that I will share the file of this workflow with you. Thank you. Hi everyone, this is Mohababu. So today I am going to show you the lead scoring along with